Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I make this spicy patty chicken. So if you love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like and share to your loved ones. Now let's get into my kitchen. So for this recipe I'm going to be using hard chicken. I've cleaned up my chicken, so now I'm going to add some salt. I'll add onion, then I'm going to be adding my spices, that is ginger, thyme and nutmeg. I'll add some garlic, maggi cubes, scotch bonnet, rosemary and some bay leaves. So I'm just going to stir everything together. Then I'm going to cook this chicken without adding water for about 10 minutes because I want the chicken to bring its own stock. I'll use the stock to cook the chicken for 10 minutes before I'll add water. So now I'm just going to cover the chicken and allow it to cook. I will be back. I'm going to steam my tomato until the water is dried up. Here are all the veggies that I blend inside my pot. So as you can see, now I'm going to add water to my chicken and I will allow it to cook for about 35 minutes. I'm going to give it a nice stir, then I will cover it. I will allow it to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. So guys, as you can see, the water in my tomato has dried up. So now I'm just going to start to make the spicy stew for the chicken. So I'm going to be using sunflower oil. I'll add some salt. I'm going to saute my onions for about 2 minutes because I really want to feel the flavor of the onions in my chicken. So I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then I'll add my spices, that is the black pepper, curry, ginger, nutmeg. Then I'll add maggi cube and I'm going to stir everything together. I will allow it to cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, my beautiful people? Please subscribe to my channel and remember to hit that notification bell and setting it in all. In that way you will never miss any of my newest video. Thank you. So now I'm just going to be adding the vegetables and I'm going to stir everything together. You know I've cooked the tomatoes before, so I'm just going to cook it for about 3 minutes. So I'm just going to allow it to cook. So guys, I'm going to list all the ingredients that I use for this recipe. I'll leave it in the description box below. You can please check it out. So now I'm just going to check my chicken. I grilled my chicken. If you want, you can fry your own. So guys, as you see, the stew is too much. I'm just going to take some of them out because I don't want the stew to overshadow the chicken. So maybe I'll put it back. Let's see. So I'm just going to stir everything together properly so that the chicken and the stew will mix properly. So I'm just going to be adding my veggies, that is the green and yellow and red bell pepper, to give it that beautiful colors. I'm just going to mix everything together. When you add your bell pepper, you don't need to cook it too much. Just 3 minutes is okay because you don't want to overcook your vegetables. I'll just cover it for 1 minute, then is done. So I'm just going to garnish it with some fresh onions to give it that onion taste, because I love onions so much. So guys, it's done. So easy to make and so delicious. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel. I love you all guys. I'm going to see you again in my next video with another delicious recipe. Guys, please stay at home and take care of your family and take care of yourself. I love you all guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.